So what this is ash. And the Ash Weevil came in, and what the weevil does is it gets in the bark, gets in the inner bark, inner cambium, in the phloem and xylem tubes, and eats those tubes so that it chokes off the tree of water and they die. So this little stand in here, I have the landowner's permission to take dead standing ash, and there's probably 10 to 15 good-sized trees that have died, and we'll salvage them for firewood. There's probably 4 or 5 cord ash in here. I usually burn 3 cord, but well, it's not a great wood for firewood. It's medium. It's not the worst. It's not the best. But if I've got plenty, then we'll do this winter coming just burning primarily ash. It's a shame to see all these trees die, but well, they'll go to good use. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Help me a lot with subscriptions. I'd like to see at least 1,000 subscriptions by the end of this year. And this video is it. Not the end, but the one. It's the 100th video that I've made since my channel has been active. Thanks again. Have a great day.